Welcome to season 2 of the Fit to Love podcast show. Hello and welcome to Fit to Love Tasty Tuesdays. All about cooking, all about nutrition, and all about you. Enjoy the show. Today's show brought to you by Youthful Essentials Wrinkle Serum. Turn back the hands of time with an antioxidant-rich, all-natural, eco-friendly serum that you can feel good about. Today's show is a spicy, raw kale salad. I am super excited to bring to you Dr. Meg Hayworth. She has been with us on season 1. She did a Wellness Wednesday. It was the top 3 foods making you sick. And she also did a Freedom Friday, which was turning trauma into triumph. And I'm so happy to be in your kitchen today. Thank you for having us. And we're going to have a lot of fun here today.
Thank you. I'm so excited to have you here.
Yay! So I can't wait to eat all this food. So tell me and us what's in the spicy raw kale salad.
Okay, the spicy raw kale salad is super simple. We start with this. It doesn't get much more simple than something that's already prepared in the store, right? And you can find this at Whole Foods markets, you can find this at Vons and Pavilions, which is also Safeway on the East Coast. That's where I'm from, so.
Me too.
Anyway, this is easy. So it's basically a simple dump and stir.
We like easy. This is all about easy, this show.
Exactly. And you're welcome to get the kale and spine it and cut it and have it all over your kitchen if you want. That's up to you. So, anyway, there we go.
See, everyone always wants to say, oh, it takes so much energy and effort to eat healthy. Oh, it's so much work cutting and chopping all those vegetables. This took what, a minute?
Yeah, exactly. And it's organic too, which is the way that I know JJ says to eat, and I always say to eat as
Absolutely.
well.
So as much as you can.
Yeah, exactly. So, all right, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to start to do the lemon.
So right now we have kale, and what came in there also was purple cabbage and shredded carrot.
Exactly.
Lovely.
Okay, so we're going to do the lemon here. All right, get that right. And you can just put in as much as you like. I mean, the way that I like to teach people how to cook is to feel it out. I mean, cooking to me is a part knowledge, experience, and intuition. So it's really feeling like, what feels right to you? If you like a lot of lemon, put a lot of lemon in. If you don't, don't.
So if someone doesn't like a lot of lemon, would you say a half a lemon? And if someone likes a lot of lemon, do 2 full lemons?
2. I've had, as a private chef, I've had clients who wanted like 3, 4 lemons. They're like, put more in, you know? So,
wow.
yeah.
Is there a minimum amount of lemon that we need just to coat the salad?
I would say at least 1 or 2.
Lemons?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so at least 1 lemon if you're not a big lemon fan. And then you can go to 2, 3, or 4, it sounds like, or whatever. You know, I have to make a mention about this lemon device. The name is escaping me. Hello. It's a juicer.
It's a juicer.
It's a juicer. But I have to tell you, no, just because literally I didn't know this, and so some of you may be looking at this and thinking, this looks simple enough. See, the way that it's built, I thought it went this way because it fits in here. No, it doesn't, because I mean, you can do it, but it's not as efficient. Go ahead.
Yes, I used to think that too.
Right, so I just want to let everyone know in case you see this device, you think, oh, that's really cool, or if you've been doing it wrong, like I did it the first time that I saw it, I didn't know I put it in the hole. It was like a puzzle piece. This fit in like this, and that's how I did it, but that's not how it works.
Okay.
All right, so we have 2 lemons in this kale salad so far. So if you like lemon, you use 1. We love lemon, so we put in 2.
Exactly.
Okay, so what's next?
All right, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in some olive oil. So I'm not big on measuring, so I just kind of vibe it. So, but I'm going to say that I would recommend at least 3 or 4 tablespoons of olive oil. So, but that depends on you too and what your taste is. Next thing we're going to put in here is Bragg's liquid amino acids. I love this stuff.
And if you're doing a soy-free diet, there's also coconut aminos.
Actually, and I have those as well.
Yeah.
So we can actually take those out of the fridge and show people what they are, because I think a lot of people don't know.
Yeah.
All right, so there we go.
How much of that do you
basically
think?
the liquids. About 2 tablespoons.
So more oil. 3
About
tablespoons
of oil,
and 2
2
tablespoons.
tablespoons.
Okay, approximately.
Approximately. So, and then this is my favorite part, because then you just like make this to taste. You just put the spices on and just get it all. It's delicious.
Is that cumin?
No, this is chili powder.
Chili powder, that's the spicy part.
Delicious. Although chili powder itself is not as spicy, it's more of a warming spice. We're going to spice it up a little bit more with some cayenne. Just a little bit, a little dash of cayenne. All right, and then we're going to throw in some onion powder as well. Get that onion powder going. And we're going to put in some cumin. Yeah, I love cumin, right? It's so good.
And I don't know about you, but growing up on the East Coast, people don't use it very much.
Not very much, it's true.
And it's like having chili with cumin versus chili without cumin. It's like night and day. Why would I ever go back? Like,
Exactly.
this is like one of my favorite things.
Exactly, it's so delicious. All right, and then you just take some of these tongs and then you just toss it around.
Awesome.
Really simple.
That is very simple. What do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ingredients. It
Yeah.
took all of probably less than 5 minutes if you didn't have to explain to somebody what you were doing. And I'm sure if someone wanted to play with, because what I love about cooking in the kitchen and doing these simple recipes that I bring to you on Tasty Tuesdays is that you can just get creative, and that's why we don't measure, and you just taste, and you just see what do I like, and you're not so anally retentive about following a recipe and doing everything perfect. It's about what do you like. And so, for instance, I love garlic powder. Everybody on the show knows I love garlic. Could I put garlic powder in this?
Absolutely.
Would you put
Or fresh garlic is the other thing that goes in here.
Yeah, I would probably put powder because, you know what I mean, a chunk, and you have you smell like garlic, and so, all right. And so this is the basis, but then again, feel free to play. If there's something you don't like chili powder or chili pepper. What else could somebody use to spice this up, do you think?
Well, there's this really great spice mix that you can get at Whole Foods Market. It's called 7 Seasons. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It just tastes like Cajun spices, basically. And that's another suggestion, is you can use a Cajun spice mix that you really like, or Old Bay seasoning.
Nice.
Those kinds of things. So.
Yum. Okay, I want to taste it.
There you go.
I'm not going to, yeah.
So, and again, it's just like taste and tweak. That's how I always do everything, how I suggest others do the same.
Well, and it's always hard, when you think of, well, what do I want to have? I want to have kale, or I want to eat these vegetables, but then I get bored with the same recipe over and over again. So this is a great thing to try.
Exactly. Right?
So simple.
So simple, so delicious.
Very good.
Hooray. Hooray.
The Fit to Love podcast show offers you 6 days a week of helpful content to achieve the happy life you deserve. Movement Mondays and Tasty Tuesdays are weekly videocasts, while Wellness Wednesdays, Thoughtful Thursdays, Freedom Fridays, and Sexy Saturdays are audio-only shows themed every week to address your holistic life and needs. If the show inspired you, we would love for you to share it and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining us today. Head on over to fittolove.tv for recaps of every show, resources, and to join the community. That's FIT, the number 2, LOVE.tv. Have a fit and fabulous day.